For most of us, first class seems unreachable, but for Canadian rapper Drake, first class would be a downgrade. That's why Drake makes use of his famous Boeing 767 private jet dubbed Air Drake. This aircraft is filled with luxury and convenience that rival any other hip-hop star's jet, and in this video, we'll explore both the story and the details of this exclusive aircraft. While Drake is undoubtedly a wealthy individual, this aircraft was completely free. That's because Drake received the aircraft from the Canadian company Cargojet in exchange for free publicity and social media presence. In turn, Drake was custom fitted with a Boeing 767-200ER. Originally, this 767 was delivered to Saudi Arabia's Mid-East jet in 1996, but has since received a full retrofit with a VIP interior. Drake frequently posts pictures with the jet, likely encouraged by the arrangement that gave him the jet in the first place. The interior was designed by a Louis Vuitton creative director and features lavish beds, couches, and living areas. In total, Drake's jet features 3 private suites, 2 living rooms, an entertainment room with a TV, and a full-size bathroom. Because the 767 is a wide-body, there is a plethora of space in comparison with the normal private jets that other celebrities utilize, like Taylor Swift. Many cite the value of the jet at around $200 million, but the calculation is a little complicated. While the 28-year-old 767 is not worth nearly that much on its own, the reported $100 million spent on the retrofit definitely helps its value. That being said, I doubt the jet would sell for even close to $200 million, especially considering its age and number of flight cycles. However, given that Drake did not spend a penny on the jet, I doubt depreciation is his main concern. In fact, that brings up an interesting aspect of the ownership arrangement. But before I go into it, please consider subscribing if you've enjoyed this video thus far. Also, hitting the like button would be appreciated. When taking a close look at the arrangement, it becomes obvious that Drake does not actually own the jet. The jet is provided to him by Cargojet, but ownership is retained by the carrier. While this may not seem as cool on the surface, it may actually be relieving to not be personally responsible for maintenance and other ownership fees that tend to pile up on an aircraft of this age. As for the external look of the jet, Air Drake is customized with Drake's brand October's very own, with the owl emblem featured prominently. This design makes it a noticeable jet, not able to easily blend in with the rest of jets at private terminals. But I'd venture to say that's on purpose. While Taylor Swift and Elon Musk prefer to fly under the radar in Gulfstream jets that integrate with the crowd, Drake prefers the exact opposite. Now, if you were a celebrity, which approach would you prefer? Would you want a massive wide-body airliner turned VIP, or a relatively small, in comparison, private jet to avoid the attention of your ever-present fans? Let me know which hypothetical you'd prefer in the comments. Again, if you enjoyed this video, hit the subscribe button, join my Discord server with the link in the description, and if you're here in the first week after upload, hit the hype button as well. All your support is very much appreciated and allows more videos like this one to be published. Anyways, that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next.